Job of the day. Customer was having issues with his wiring, and he also needed a new breakaway switch, so I put a breakaway switch on there, and the only thing that was wrong with his brakes was there was a wire not connected onto the brake post, so I put it on there. Tester helped me out because it just said open circuit, and I had to find where the wire was broken, or not even put on in this case. Breakaway wire is all clean, everything's zip tied on the excess. Put the sharp portion of the zip tie on the back end so no one gets caught. Clip. He's got good brakes. Brakes are in the air. I got wires excess zip tied up. Everything's wired in for the breakaway. Driver's side brakes are up, locked up. Perfect. I'll check the passenger side. Passenger side is up. Brakes are on. Perfect. He was saying he was having some issues with this. It sounds like a rattle toy. Let's see what's inside. Nothing's wrong. The noise was that spinning, so we'll just put that back on. Oh, it's broken. I think the thread's broke, maybe? Yeah. Threads are not working on that. Okay. But that rattle noise is just that holder, so nothing's apart in this. Good. I cleaned up the connections on it a little bit, so it should be good now. He's all good to go. Everything's set. I didn't leave any tools. He's done. I'm on to the next.